Hi guys, today we have an unboxing and my mommy got this for me. The only reason I think she got it for me is because season 1 is almost gone. But try to go get as much as you can of season 1 because it's your last chance. Who should we start on first? Let's start on Derpy Bacon. I have 2 of these. I'm not going to tell you who's the other person, but he's the person I really wanted. First, but I'm gonna do this one first, the best for last. Alright guys, that was scary. So that was easy. Derpy Bacon. I'm gonna do a spin around with all my other ones, with both of them, but like a better view of them. And here is the second one, Funnel Boy. This is the one I said in my Meg's one or my other one. I wanted this one the most, but I obviously see there is straps around him. I'm gonna go get scissors. So I just got it. Just got the scissors. I'm gonna scoot it back. So. Oh man. The only reason I'm not doing it in my room is because my room's dirty. I had a party last night in my room. Like something like that. Check this out. Check this out. Okay. So here's the thing I don't like about like the human ones and like not the character ones is that the arms are so hard to like. I really appreciate if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell, because that will help me a lot. I got it. Yo, Funnel Boy! Funnel Boy! He's so much more loose than the regular one. See, look, he's so much looser. Unless I just broke him or something. See, I don't know if I got like a bad one or something. But he's cool in my book. Let's go. I'm gonna take you my journey to throw this away. Right here. Here we go. Can y'all see me? Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. So this will be a video, but first I promise you I would spin both of them around and see. So I'm gonna go to the spinner. So let's go get it. sign. This is kind of bad for me is because I need to find space for them that will actually kind of look good. So, why to say bye to Funnel Boy? Bye. Bye. And if you like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye, everybody.